Today I'll take you through a quick tutorial of how to create an attractive email signature. Let's get into it. Email signature is an important element of an email. It makes you look more professional and makes it easier for others to reach out to you. Let's create one Gmail signature on this website, asign.io. You can choose any theme, black, green, blue, whatever you like on the right hand side. This is how it's going to look, and then you're going to edit your name, job title, tagline, email, author, whatever is given. Just edit it on the left hand side and you will be able to preview the changes on the right hand side. Okay, that's how it's going to look. You're going to preview the signature. Let's click on this signature. We're going to download it and then open. This is how it's going to look. Just copy this signature and then we'll go to our Gmail. You will see this wheel sign. You are going to click on this and then scroll down in the settings section. Scroll down. There you will see the signature. Here we are going to paste our signature that we just copied and then save the changes. Okay, whatever changes that I'm doing right here, you need to do it in order to display your Gmail signature. Whenever you compose an email, you will be able to see that Gmail signature. So let's see how it is going to. This is how it is going to look. Many great websites where you can create a perfect Gmail signature for free. Okay, so this is another website, very famous website to create a Gmail signature. Let's create one here. So this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty decent. So do all the changes on the left hand side and you'll be able to preview your edits on the right side. Okay, name, title, company. It just looks really professional when you send an email, and the Gmail signature looks very professional. So you must create one. Yeah, so do all the changes. There are many features that you will find here. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. Fonts and colors you can change. You can add social icons, you can add a logo. There are so many things that you can add, and it's just for free. You don't have to buy a paid one. Also add a LinkedIn badge in your Gmail signature. I've already stated its importance, how important it is to add a LinkedIn badge in your Gmail signature. So you'll see a lock on these templates because these are paid ones. These are not free, so you have to pay some money to get these. Okay, so we are almost done. Rest the process is the same. You have to go to the Gmail and upload your signature. You have to make sure that you remember these things while creating a perfect Gmail signature. Okay, your email signature should not be more than 3 to 4 lines. It should be short. Okay, you don't have to make it look like a paragraph, and short, simple, and to the point. Number second, do add a call to action. Like if you have a website, you can add a link of your website, or you're on LinkedIn, you can add a LinkedIn badge in your Gmail signature. Make sure to add a professional profile picture and make sure the links are workable. Yeah, it's very frustrating for your audience to click on the link and it's not working. No, it doesn't look professional. Don't do that. And avoid using too many social media icons, please.